Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Had a cool time in Pittsburgh. I met with one of my viewers named Eric. Him and his friend had some ice cream at a local place, the Meadows or something like that. Nice little ice cream stop. Hung out with them, meet and greet for a little while. Then I met with Vince and another guy. We actually drove each other's car around that night. And interesting, driving Vince's car with that vast tune. You got a early P80 car. Can't wait. I'm gonna tune Panther through them, and I'm also going to get Queen Bee done when I hit back to Albuquerque. So no longer in Pittsburgh. We did get to enjoy some Panani Brothers. My wife loves them huge sandwiches, huge fish sandwiches. I like their gyros. But my brother told me he has another spot in the Keysport for the gyros. I wasn't about to drive all the way to McKeesport for a gyro, but hey, that's his deal. Maybe if I go to McKeesport next time, I'll hit a gyro at that spot. Anyway, I'm actually leaving Cincinnati today, headed to Little Rock, Arkansas. So I'll be in Little Rock tonight. I'm going down through Nashville. So if you want to connect with me, have a meet and greet lunch or something, hit Louisville, Nashville, Memphis, and then Little Rock. Hope to be there before night falls. So guys, have a great day. Look forward to getting back home tomorrow. Yep. Pittsburgh is behind me again. Maybe I was going to swing by next month through Pittsburgh, but I actually don't think that's going to happen because I talked to Mom yesterday and she is planning surgery late September that will cancel my Pittsburgh trip. So again, had a great time with my boy Vince. I think Vince was actually the first one that purchased one of my t-shirts. Want to do a shout out for Chris in Florida. Ordered a t-shirt yesterday or the day before. My buddy Thomas ordered a t-shirt. Went to my website. You can get cups, t-shirts, hats, that kind of stuff, you know. Just something fun to work in. Heck, you're going to get a t-shirt from somewhere. Can't walk around naked. Anyway, appreciate you guys' support, and thanks for watching. And it does work like this. You just have to be careful that the legs down this end don't spread apart. You may want to get some kind of rope or string and tie them together so they don't come apart on you. Because if that end slides apart, for some reason, platform's gonna fall. So it's highly unsafe, but it is doable. And from that level, I can reach that second story. We call this a split foyer style home, and I can reach the ceiling and paint. I got that ceiling done, ceiling in the kitchen pad, ceiling in the dining area threshold. Let me show you what we got going on down here. This was all studded wall basement area. We sheetrocked all this yesterday. Well, those two walls. We're going to do some more. Put a piece down there. We're going to patio the hole. Put a drop ceiling in here. Give this thing kind of a feel like it's a normal laundry room. Furnace over there, water heater over there, storage thing over there. So we're going to put a drop sealer in here as well. Let me get the spackling this up and start putting this drop sealing in. When you're running tape down the seam, you put a layer of the spackling all the way down the seam, wide enough for the tape to lay on, and then you rub the tape into the seam, making sure it's stuck to the spackling all the way down. And then you want to go over it with another real thin layer just to feather out the edges. So it's not that hard to do this, but you do want to make sure you got enough under there so that your tape sticks to the wall. And then just feather it out. So I'm going to push that tape against the wall the whole way down, put another real thin layer of spackling on there, and you can feather it out with the sheetrock sandpaper stuff. Paint it, never know it's there. Once I have the tape against the wall, I get a little bit of a stiff, wide putty knife, press it against there, go all the way down. That usually will ooze out the spackling. Press it against the wall at the same time, and then just hit that excess. You can be done. Took that hole open in there, put some spackling on there. I'm gonna put some tape on there, smooth the tape out down to the pipe. Probably won't even know it's there. I'm gonna do the same thing there. May run some across there. Folks, the drop ceiling is in. The room is pretty much ready to be painted. The cabinet's in. And we are headed back to Cincinnati. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.